ready? Number one, Anthony. Did you have any sexual relations with your wife, Kenya's aunt, Barbara? You said no. That was a lie. We got more. I know. Man, I ain't sleep that long. Wait a minute, hold on, honey. Stay right here. Stay right here. You know that's a lie. We got another question. We got one more question. We got one more question.
No, I mean,
all right, let's have security. Let me get rid of the last question, Anthony. The last question, Anthony. Did you have sexual intercourse with your wife, Kenya's aunt Barbara? Sexual intercourse? You said no. That was a lie too.
man, you know better than that, man.
We'll be back with more. We got more. Stay right there. We put everything aside here. Put this over here. Number one, Barbara. Walter, you paying attention? This is your woman.
Mm-hmm. I'm listening.
Did you have sexual intercourse with your niece Kenya's husband, Anthony? We just did his test result. You said no.
And I
that was a lie because you did.
No, that's a lie, baby.
Tell your man about this.
Why did I have sex with him? I promise you, God, I don't care what the lie detector test says. You know I will not do that to you.
Everybody on the stage, Bob.
I must be sorry. You do that to get up out of here.
Everybody on the stage.
God, you must be
All right, hold on. We got two more, including Theodore. You want to know about Theodore, don't you?
Oh, my God.
Sit down. Number two, Barbara. Did you have sexual intercourse with your? Did you have sexual intercourse with Sherrod? Hold on, Walter. Did you have sexual intercourse with Sherrod? You said no, and that was
A lie.
Lisa, here's the big one for you. You ready? You want to know?
Oh, I already know.
You know.
I already know.
what?
Whether you slept with her husband, Theodore. So far, we got Sherrod and we got Anthony.
Let's hear it.
Barbara, anything you want to tell her? Go ahead, tell her.
Lisa.
Hold on. Lisa, listen up.
I'm sorry, baby.
I already know.
I got a confession to make to you. I did have sex with Theodore, and it went on for a whole year. When you were sick and in the hospital,
What you gonna do with that?
I was with him.
You say still for real?
For 1 year. 1 year.
Yeah, a whole year.
Okay.
Only for 1 year.
And I'm
Only for
sorry.
1 year.
It was before your time.
Only for 1 year. Only for 1 year.
Please.
1 year.
I was sick in the hospital.
Hold
Yeah,
on.
but he came on to me, Lisa. I was in one of my drunk and raised, right?
Let's talk to Lisa.
Theodore came on to me.
Last year I was sick in the hospital.
Yeah, and we was headed to go visit you, and he pulled over. I'm sorry, baby.
We know why Theodore didn't get on the plane. That's why Theodore didn't come.
I'm sorry.
Honey, how do you feel? Because you were sick in the hospital and your man's having sex with your auntie.
I was in the hospital. What you gonna do about that?
Believe
Sorry,
it.
Lisa.
There you go, honey.
I can't believe it.
Oh, Lisa.
There you go.